Sanbanane Makaya. Welcome to my channel. My name is Frosted Windows. I am beginning to embrace this new name. And my apologies for not uploading any news update. In the past few days, I was going through something that was taking a lot from me mentally, so I was unable to get an opportunity to read the news. But today, I just want to read an article that was published by IOL today, the 12th of September 2023. And this article was documented by Zelda Venter, the chief reporter. The title says, husband demands wife's attorney must instruct her to return so he can enjoy his conjugal right. Hey, ikhumbule ekhaya ke lena. Thiwa buyele ekhaya bayakudinga. The husband, who cannot be identified because the issue relates to a divorce, insisted that the legal practice council took disciplinary step against the lawyer. When the watchdog body refused, the husband tried to appeal against the refusal. His bid in this regard also failed, and he subsequently turned to the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria to have the refusal overturned. Ibuya a High Court, this thing, like, yeah. But the recent judgment, Judge Kasim Sadewala once meted out a blow to the husband as he also turned down the application. The judge said there was no evidence of wrongdoing on the part of the attorney. The husband, however, insisted that the attorney was guilty of unprofessional conduct. The issue was sparked when his wife left the matrimonial home and filed for divorce. The attorney was her divorce lawyer. The husband is said to have has not taken well to her departure from the matrimonial home. He accused her of having deserted him. According to the husband, she deemed him and also destroyed his reputation. In the complaint against her attorney, the husband said that he had suffered great indignity and depression as a result of her conduct. In a letter to his wife's attorney, he said the wife failed to obtain his consent to leave the matrimonial home. He also stated that he remained entitled to his conjugal right. I mean, guys, it's a divorce process. Who gets a permission to leave their matrimonial home? Like, even before the divorce process, it starts with the separation. I mean, I guess the wife felt that she needed a new home, a new environment, and a new atmosphere. But still, you're asking for permission. These are the allegations from the husband. And he also maintained that he's still entitled to his conjugal rights. This is what he took to the High Court. He said his wife's departure from the matrimonial home was without legal standing and without legal basis. Her husband told her attorney that she had to be compelled to return to the matrimonial home and reconcile with him. Wow, underline that part. Compelled. By who? By her attorney. I mean, you hire the attorney to assist you with the divorce. Then the husband instructs your attorney to compel you to come back home. I mean, this is something else. I guess I thought I needed to share with you this article because this is not making sense. For me, it's not even a matter for High Court, but I guess people have money for lawyers to be able to take their matters as far as the High Court. I'm sure the next one will be the Constitutional Court. The wife, however, was not prepared to return to the matrimonial home and did not share the husband's views regarding the marital right and her marital duties. Her attorney, on the other hand, did not instruct her to go home and demanded by the husband, because he did not take, okay, my screen is moving. He did not take the instruction from the husband, as the letter is not from his client. The husband did not tolerate her attorney not conveying this message to the wife. Without further ado, he launched an offensive upon the attorney, and at length questioned by qualification, experience, skills, and ability. Okay, he also questioned his ability, experience, and qualification. In a letter to the attorney, the husband wrote, "Trust me, sir, you will account for your conduct. Even if it's the last thing that I do, I will take you to the High Court, not being a fit and a proper person to practice law." I mean, wow. He also told his wife to dig 2 graves when she goes to war, as she may need a grave herself. This is a threat. I mean, this is also a threat on its own. Beside what he's doing with the High Court and discrediting the lawyer, he's also threatening. The husband, meanwhile, turned to the Legal Practice Council to complain about the attorney who did not instruct the wife to obey his demand to return home. Judge Satiwala commented that the husband seems to blame the attorney, unjustifiably so, for the fact that the wife had left the matrimonial home, for the fact that his reputation has been tainted as a result. The judge found no justification in this argument and turned down the application. Before you step down from this video, comment down below and tell us what you think about this story. Was it worth the attention of the judge in the High Court, or the husband is going through his mental problems, his mental issues? And also subscribe to my channel so that you can get all the updates of the news in South Africa. Thank you so much.